Hi, Jeff. We continue on with our alert day that's going to go well through tonight into tomorrow morning and through your Saturday. So be prepared for very windy weather and the return to some harsh winter cold. Let's take a look at Doppler radar. We had a good burst of snow today from the Toledo Metro west and north up into southern Michigan. Have had reports of 3 to 4 inches of snow up into Hillsdale County, Williams County, over towards Fulton County. Now, it varied across the Toledo Metro from about a ½ inch on the southeast side of town to as much as 3 inches to the north and west. Now all in the form of rain across the area, as most areas are right around the low 40s. We are going to be turning cooler, though, as this area of low pressure, very powerful storm system, really begins to whip higher winds into the area. And those winds will gust overnight tonight into tomorrow, 50, 55, up to 60 miles per hour. Look at the lower 40s right now. Hang on to it. Savor it, because we may not see a reading that warm for the next 10 straight days as cooler air is getting ready to plunge into the picture. And by the time you wake up tomorrow, brew that cup of coffee, it is going to be bitterly cold, falling back into the 20s. Here's the current wind gust, about 30 to 35 miles per hour. We expect these are only going to increase overnight tonight. And mentioned moments ago, some of the power outages, where we do have them, they're focused around Sandusky County and Lenawee County. Have about 2,400 customers in Lenawee County that are without power. That becomes a bit of a more concern the colder we get. More winds going to be expected tomorrow, so we'll monitor those power outages and the potential. Gusts of 50 to 55 west of I-75. That area east of I-75 where those winds may gust up to 60 miles per hour. Blowing snow and power outages is going to be the biggest concern with that occurring. Now, we do turn cooler tonight, and look at this. A burst of some snow back to the area could time out right around daybreak Saturday. Snow showers going to be likely. Even a burst or two of some moderate snow for a brief time could reduce visibilities, with those winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour. On and off snow showers through the morning. Again, accumulations will be possible, but generally less than an inch of an accumulation, with that blowing snow and that bitter cold set to follow. How cold is it going to get? Here's the wind chills you're going to feel by Sunday. Sub-zero wind chills, and it stays extremely cold into early next week. Monday, Tuesday, could be talking double digits below zero. Rain, snow showers tapering off tonight. Some additional snow showers toward daybreak tomorrow. 27 the high on Saturday. It turns windy as we go through Saturday. How about Sunday? Beyond our alert day, bitterly cold. 13 degrees on Sunday. Teens for Monday and Tuesday. Those overnight lows near or below zero. And we stay bitterly cold most of next week with highs well below average, even for mid-January.